How to make sure only admin can send message in Telegram. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make only admin send messages in Telegram. First, open the Telegram application on your mobile device. Now, tap on the group where you want to change the settings. Then tap on the group name at the top of the screen. Here, tap on Edit from the top right corner. Next, tap on Permissions from the list of options. Now, turn the toggle off for Send Messages so that only admins can send messages in the group. Finally, go back to the group and check that members can no longer send messages and only admins can post. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.